Hi traders, today is 12th of September 2019, so we just complete one order for US session scalping. We did enter at 54.55, which is the signal over here just before the nearest breakout. So from this trader we managed to get to the TP area. So as you can see from my live from my live trading signal, I did mention that we go short. So it was a quick 2 minutes trade with 54.55 is the entry and TP at 54.38. So it's a good scalping strategy. So at this moment the market still go further down. So by the way, there's a link below in description. You may find the link to my private channel for the live broadcast signal for US session, London session, and Asia session. So by the way, the market have moved tremendously for a very strong bearish movement tonight. So most of us are already TP, so I just TP here at 54.38. So as you can see, there's a arrow here. Let me enlarge it. So this is where I did exit the market. So enter two lot position size with the entry of 54.55. So the first one I exit at 54.43, and the second one is at 54.38. So which is a good nice trade, very quick. This is a typical my day trading for US session, quick and fast, and daily target is around 250 to 400 US dollar for two lot position size. And that's was it. And I think that's all for today because the entry is too fast. We didn't manage to record it live only after I finished the trade, because the movement is very fast. 2 minutes time once this candle open. And yeah, it was a good day. We keep continuing to make profit for US session, and for London and Asia session is still sometimes in a good position, sometimes in a bad position. So I think that's all for today. In my day trade strategy, only a few minutes for US session, so very rare more than 20 minutes. So if more than 20 minutes something is not right, and must be below 10 minutes time or 15 minutes time, so the market might reverse back. So maybe in 1 hour time there is a full reversal from the market is expected. So I think that's all for today. Thank you for watching. There's a link below in description. Feel free to click on it. There's a free trial. Okay guys, that's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye. Okay, I forgot to mention, just entered the market at 9:01 a.m. New York time, New York local time. So the second entry is 9:02 a.m. So I did exit first at 9:03 a.m. And the second entry is 9:03 a.m. as well. So the time interval is around, the first trade I made is 2 minutes. The second one is about 1 minute. So I did enter for two dot position size, and this was a good trade. So both profit, so total is 340 US dollar in profit. I think that's all for tonight or today. My local time is night time, and see you tomorrow in US session. So feel free to subscribe the live broadcast, and there's a free trial. Thank you. Bye bye.